Everything's bigger in Texas, baby. White lightning, baby. Check it out. Of course you know it's got the blow. This baby's got those white Shocker XL horns on it. On a classic build like this, guys, they can't go wrong with the super swampers. We're gonna say that's, you know, period correct. All these link bars in here, that's billet, guys. That's billet. I should have brought some gloves or maybe a better hat, guys. It is cold, but we're at the Fury booth. Behind me are some massive trucks. Let's see who's got the blow. First things first in the Fury booth, Mariah's new Super Duty. Check out the Hornblaster sticker. Equipped with our dual tank spare tire delete kit, which has been replaced by the new 5-gallon Stealth. Everything's been custom color matched to fit this build. Guys, I promise that I'm not getting shorter. The trucks every year are just getting bigger and bigger. More of our Shocker horns and that beautiful white finish. This is how you install a set of train horns on a truck. I don't know about this phenomenon with Daddy's money, but this one was funded by Daddy's money. I'm trying to get me some Daddy's money. Really sick truck. It's got a manual transmission in it. A manual transmission in it. Who doesn't love a good truck show pupper? Is this the new Fury mascot? This truck right here, it's out of this world. Just like those Hornblasters train horns. You already know, Hornblasters, and it's got a Shocker sticker. Bonus points. Spare tire delete on deck, baby. For an 08 to 13 Chevy, this is one super clean build. Shout out to the owner. Look at these frame overlays. Carbon fiber. Now that is some next level stuff. And you know it's got those Hornblasters train horns on it. We've got a complete K5 system, 5-gallon tank. This is a mega cab Super Duty. As some of you might know or might not know, you can only get the mega cab on a Ram truck, but no. These guys, they added a mega cab on this Super Duty, making it absolutely one of a kind. All right, so on this bad boy, one of our Admiral train horns, he's running quad compressors because he also has these huge rubber air spring shocks. Big girl. Darn right, it's a big girl. All right, guys, check this out. What I tell you this is called? That's right. This is the Mega Duty. We're out at LST, and this gentleman here, he came up to me, and he told me that our videos got him to purchase what kind of kit from Hornblasters?
This is the spare tire delete kit, man. I freaking love it.
You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen, and you can get your Conductor Special spare tire delete kit at hornblasters.com. Well, we've only been here for about 3 hours. I'm absolutely frozen. I'm starting to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We're gonna go get cozy in the rental car for a little bit and come back to the show.
A few moments later.
It's got it made. You got the graphics, you got the big wheels, and it's slammed on the ground. Oh, just getting ready for the next shot in this mirrored truck. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a wrap. This truck is polished. I'm not a very tall dude, man, but this is a big, there's a lot of horns on this thing. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. All right, an odd number. It's got 13 Hornblasters train horns on it. It's like they knew we were coming. They got the truck leaned to the other side so we can get under here and check out that Goliath train horn mount with those Hornblasters train horns. They have something for everybody at LST. We've got a rat rod on tracks with rear bags and train horns. That's why we love this show, guys. You're gonna get a little bit of everything. I think I'm on Team Bronco versus Jeep Wrangler. All the Jeep people don't come at me for it, but I don't know. I just think it's got a new look. It's different. Wranglers have looked pretty much the same since like 2007. We took this truck to SEMA, I think it was 2022. This is Murder Hornet. Hornblasters equipped, of course. This is just one of those trucks there. It's super easy to film what's on it, and I can just stand under it no problem because it's taller than me. All right, guys, this 60s Ford was just finished up by the guys over at Plan B Fab, and it turned out phenomenal. I like the wheel and tire combo they got going on here. The truck's massive, of course, and if you guys looked here, they've shaved the door handles, so there's door poppers here somewhere. They got speakers all up underneath the frame. It doesn't pass the horn check, but this is one really cool build. This one was all over the internet at one point, pretty viral, maybe like a year or two ago. Somebody else was not paying attention, like inside at another truck show, and they went right into the side of the truck. I mean, there's no stone that's been left unturned on this truck. Everything's been done. That's a lot of appearances. But when the truck looks like this, I don't blame the guy. If I build a truck like this, it'd be at that many shows. As you can tell, any nice old Ford, Tyler is just goo goo gaga for. But this one has Hornblasters train horns on it, so it's getting double points in my book too. Got an Admiral train horn kit on this thing. This is a clean truck. I really like the colors. Hey, and they got a Hornblasters sticker on there. Hornblasters.com. Forgiatos with the floaters, baby. All right, guys, we found the only vehicle at the show that makes me look tall. It appears to be controlled by a PlayStation controller. You can't honk a spare, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot honk a spare. Rob and the boys at Plan B bring the heat. I think that because we're in Texas, this wrap is pretty fitting. And of course, it's Hornblasters equipped. What is it? A race car? A lowrider classic? It's got everything jumbled into one. You know the guy Zach, he builds some cool. This is probably at the top of my list of favorites. This thing sounds like a beast. Stop. Hammer time.
Day 2.
A little pre-show prep. We're a little bit more prepared today. We're definitely gonna be hooded up, and we're gonna hope the rain stays away for a little while. Day 2, LST, Saturday, guys. Main day of the show. There is probably 3 times the amount of trucks that was here yesterday. We're gonna take another walk around, show you some of the coolest lifted and lowered builds at this year's Lone Star Throwdown. A growing popularity of the single cab trucks, and definitely ones that have the flatbeds on it. And this is a sweet dually, 5th gen Ram. Really like the color combo. It's got one of our Goliath train horn systems on it. It's got the S6 horns with the dual compressor, 5-gallon tank. But hey, this is somebody's work truck. Our systems, you know, you can put them on anything. It doesn't have just to be a show build. It always helps to have onboard air on anything, daily driver, work truck, whatever it might be. And you're definitely gonna have that ability with one of our 5-gallon dual compressor systems. LST 2025, we're here with the one and only
Ricky and the boss.
Yes, sir, you know it. Guys, we're checking out some of these extremely sweet builds. We're here at the Plan B booth underneath one of these pavilions since it is raining outside right now. We're checking out this brand new F450 King Ranch. And of course, you know it's got those Hornblasters train horns on them. Ricky, what do you think about this this build?
Man, I really like it. It's a lot bigger in person. I mean, I'm 6'3", so I mean, you can see the size right here. It's insane. Got the train horns under there, you know, don't blow your temper, blow your horns. I got train horns on every truck I own just because they're fun driving down the road, honking people, kids love them. And this truck here, it's colorful and it's definitely loud.
All right, guys, we are here with Rob from Plan B Fab. Man, a few words. He brought this absolutely spectacular looking new F250 out here, and it's got a really special train horn kit on it. All right, guys, so this 5-gallon Stealth spare tire delete kit, that's our newest product available on the website. You guys have been asking for years for a 5-gallon tank and a spare tire delete kit. It's finally available. Check it out. Hornblasters.com as always. Yeah! This build right here has some honk time. That is a lot of air for a lot of train horns. 2 20-gallon tanks. Behind the 20-gallon tanks is our Octo train horn. And underneath this truck is one of our Admiral train horns and another, I believe, 5-gallon air tank. All right, guys, we are here with
Truck Guru.
the one and only. Got some sweet builds out here at the show this year. It is a little colder, maybe a lot colder than it was last year.
You had a sunburn last year, and this year you have a little bit of frostbite. It's Texas. If you don't like the weather, it'll change in 5 minutes. That's what they say. Yeah, I mean, I've got probably about 35 builds here. They're stationed. I've got stuff in vendor booths. I've got stuff all over. Obviously, these trucks that we're standing next to are some of ours. This is Richie and Amanda's. This is Kratos and Enigma. These trucks are absolutely insane. They're the epitome of the truck scene. Honestly, so much time and so much money and so much energy has gone into these 2 trucks. It's a his and hers combo, husband and wife. They came to me and said, we kind of want the same trucks, but a little bit different. Super, super cool people. I mean, honestly, if you guys want to know more, his Instagram is Arstagall. It'll pop up, and hers is Acetagall. I mean, honestly, if you guys want to know more, you can check out Hornblasters, of course, because they're always posting it and sharing it. If you want the best content and the best horns that money can buy, Hornblasters is the only way to go.
We are checking out this sweet his and hers. These were built by our buddies at BK Fab in Florida, and they are both rocking some pretty awesome train horn setups. So starting off in the front, they both have these custom engraved wheels. As custom as it gets, guys. It's just another touch that makes these builds so special. Custom wraps, custom graphics, and this one now has a custom Banshee above the bed. We are here with Mark from, and then we'll do.
Oh,
All right.
I thought you
We are here with
Mark,
from.
Atlantic City Truck Meet.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You'll catch one of these sweet videos after Mark's show. Mark, when is your show this year?
June 7th and 8th,
And where is this show going to be at?
Atlantic City, New Jersey, Bader Field.
Yes, sir. We'll be there. We are just making our way around the show, guys. We are here with the one and only
Scoop.
You know it. Scoop, tell us about this new build you got here.
One of my tow pigs. Everybody knows I build at least one tow pig a year. Obviously running the best Hornblasters, the one and only Hornblasters. So we did a 10-inch Elevate kit on it with 26-inch TIS wheels, running the Venom power tires, 37s. I decked this thing out the way I wanted it to, tow my stuff around for, going to shows and whatnot. So you want to check out the rest of it? Let's walk around it.
Yeah, let's check it out. What else are we looking at here?
Floaters on there with the True Spike lug. We did Next Level mats, Super Bowl theme with old Kendrick.
Yeah.
Main event emblems on the side. Boost Auto steps, Boost Auto mirror lights, Boost Auto cab lights. Just started working with those guys. They're awesome. Those guys are really good.
We're in your area here at the show. You got your booth set up as always. There's trucks everywhere. How many builds do you think you got at the show this year?
I want to say I probably did about 45 this year.
Wow. That is a lot of builds.
I think even with the weather, this is one of my best turnouts so far. So
Bigger and better every year.
I got to. That's always the goal, is bigger and better.
Guys, that's a wrap. 2025 LST Hornblasters. We're signing out. It's still raining. I'm freezing. It's time to go home.